Have you ever felt like you understand English, but when it's your turn to speak, your brain freezes? That used to be me. For years, I studied English from books, memorized grammar rules, even passed exams. But in real conversations, I sounded robotic, awkward, and slow. My sentences felt like a puzzle I had to build in my head before I could open my mouth. Then something changed. One simple trick unlocked my ability to speak naturally, without translating word by word. And today, I'm going to share that trick with you, step by step, so you can finally speak English confidently too. The trick is simple. Stop learning English only with your eyes. Start training your mouth and ears together. This means practicing real-life phrases in a rhythm and style that native speakers use until they come out naturally, just like your first language. In this lesson, I'll give you 10 secrets I used to train my brain, ears, and mouth so I could speak English without feeling like a robot. For each one, you'll get a clear explanation, real-life examples, slow plus normal speed practice, shadowing exercises you can do right now, a small challenge for you to try today. By the end, you won't just know these tips, you'll be able to use them in real conversations. And remember, fluency is built with small, daily steps. If you practice these tips for even 10 minutes a day, you will see a real change in your speaking. Before we start, if you want more slow, clear, and practical English lessons every week, click subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. And comment below telling me, what's your biggest problem when speaking English? I read every comment. All right, let's start with the first secret that completely changed the way I speak. Secret 1. Learn phrases, not just words. When I was learning English, I used to memorize single words: apple, happy, travel. But when I wanted to speak, I didn't know how to put them together naturally. Native speakers don't speak word by word. They use chunks or ready-made phrases that flow together. For example, I, happy, see you. I'm happy to see you. Phrases are like small Lego blocks you can connect quickly. If you know the phrase, I'm happy to see you, you can change just one word. I'm happy to meet you. I'm happy to help you. Example sentences. 1. Nice to meet you. 2. Thanks for your help. 3. I really appreciate it. Slow practice. Nice to meet you. Repeat with me. Thanks for your help. Repeat with me. Normal speed. Nice to meet you. Thanks for your help. Shadowing practice. I say it, you repeat immediately without thinking. Nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you. Thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Pronunciation tip. Link words together. Nice to meet you sounds like nice to meet ya. Challenge. Today, in every conversation, try to use at least 2 ready-made phrases instead of building sentences from zero. Notice how much faster you speak. Secret 2. Speak out loud every day. When I first learned English, I used to practice silently in my head. The problem? Speaking is a physical skill, not just a mental one. Your mouth, tongue, and lips need training, just like your muscles when learning a sport. If you only think in English but never say the words out loud, your mouth will not be ready when it's time to speak. The secret is to make your voice part of your learning every single day, even if you're alone. Talking to yourself is not strange, it's powerful. You can describe what you see, repeat phrases from TV shows, or read out loud from a book. Example sentences for daily speaking. 1. I'm making a cup of coffee. 2. The weather is really nice today. 3. I need to finish my work before dinner. Slow practice. I'm making a cup of coffee. The weather is really nice today. Normal speed. I'm making a cup of coffee. The weather is really nice today. Shadowing practice. Listen and copy instantly. I'm making a cup of coffee. I'm making a cup of coffee. The weather is really nice today. The weather is really nice today. Pronunciation tip. Pay attention to weak sounds. In cup of coffee, the of sounds like Cup of coffee. Challenge. Today, choose 3 minutes where you talk non-stop about what you are doing in English, even if it's washing dishes or walking. This builds fluency because you don't stop to think. Secret 3. Copy native rhythm, not just words. Fluency is not only about grammar, it's also about rhythm and melody. Native speakers have a natural flow. Some words are strong, others are weak. If you speak every word with the same force, it sounds unnatural. For example, in I'm going to the store, we stress go and store, but I'm, to, and the are soft. It sounds like I'm going to the store. Example sentences. 1. I'm going to the store. 2. She's waiting for the bus. 3. We're meeting at 6 o'clock. Slow practice. I'm going to the store. She's waiting for the bus. Normal speed. I'm going to the store. She's waiting for the bus. Shadowing practice. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the store. She's waiting for the bus. She's waiting for the bus. Pronunciation tip. Don't pronounce every to as to. In fast English, to often sounds like t. Challenge. Choose 5 common sentences you use and record yourself. Then listen to a native speaker say them. Match the stress and rhythm, not just the words. Secret 4. Use fillers to sound more natural. In real conversations, native speakers don't always speak in perfect, complete sentences. They use fillers like well, I mean, actually, and so to give themselves time to think. These make you sound relaxed and less robotic. Example sentences with fillers. 1. Well, I'm not sure about that. 2. I really like this movie. 3. Actually, I've been there before. Slow practice. Well, I'm not sure about that. I really like this movie. Normal speed. Well, I'm not sure about that. I really like this movie. Shadowing practice. Well, I'm not sure about that. Well, I'm not sure about that. I really like this movie. I really like this movie. Pronunciation tip. Keep fillers short and light. Don't overstress them. Challenge. In your next English conversation, use at least 2 different fillers naturally while thinking of your next sentence. Secret 5. Tell micro stories. One big reason learners freeze is they feel pressure to speak perfectly. Instead of trying to give a long, perfect answer, tell a micro story, a short, real example from your life. This makes your answer interesting and natural. For example, if someone asks, how was your weekend? Instead of, it was fine, say, oh, it was great. I went to the park, met some friends, and we had ice cream. Example micro-story sentences. 1. Yesterday I tried a new cafe. The coffee was amazing. 2. Last weekend I went hiking with my cousin. 3. This morning I missed the bus, so I walked to work. Slow practice. Yesterday I tried a new cafe. This morning I missed the bus. Normal speed. Yesterday I tried a new cafe. This morning I missed the bus. Shadowing practice. Yesterday I tried a new cafe. Yesterday I tried a new cafe. This morning I missed the bus. This morning I missed the bus. Pronunciation tip. In this morning, the S and M link together. This morning. Challenge. Today think of 3 short stories from the past week and tell them out loud in English, even to yourself. Secret 6. Practice reaction phrases. In conversations, we often need quick reactions. Really? That's amazing. Oh no. These short phrases show emotion and make you sound more alive. If you only answer with yes or no, the conversation feels flat. Example reaction phrases. 1. That's amazing. 2. Oh no, that's terrible. 3. Really, I didn't know that. Slow practice. That's amazing. Oh no, that's terrible. Normal speed. That's amazing. Oh no, that's terrible. Shadowing practice. That's amazing. That's amazing. Really, I didn't know that. Really, I didn't know that. Pronunciation tip. Put emotion in your voice. Don't say that's amazing with no feeling. Exaggerate your tone. Challenge. Watch a short video in English and react out loud to 5 things you hear using reaction phrases. Secret 7. Think in English. During simple activities. Thinking in English can feel difficult, but you don't need to do it all the time. Start small. Choose simple moments like making breakfast or walking, and describe everything in English in your head or out loud. Example thoughts. 1. I'm opening the fridge. 2. I'm cutting the bread. 3. The sun is bright today. Slow practice. I'm opening the fridge. The sun is bright today. Normal speed. I'm opening the fridge. The sun is bright today. Shadowing practice. I'm opening the fridge. I'm opening the fridge. The sun is bright today. The sun is bright today. Pronunciation tip. Contract I am to I'm for natural speech. Challenge. Choose one 5-minute daily activity and think only in English during that time. Secret 8. Record yourself and listen back. Hearing your own voice in English can feel strange, but it's the fastest way to spot mistakes. You'll notice where you sound natural and where you pause too much. Example sentences to record. 1. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. 2. My favorite food is pasta. 3. I'm learning English to travel more. Slow practice. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. My favorite food is pasta. Normal speed. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. My favorite food is pasta. Shadowing practice. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Pronunciation tip. Don't be afraid of your accent. Focus on clarity and rhythm first. Challenge. Record yourself telling a 1-minute story. Then listen and note one thing you can improve. Secret 9. Practice question power. Good conversation is not just answering. It's also asking questions. Prepare some common questions so you can keep talking without long pauses. Example questions. 1. What do you usually do on weekends? 2. Have you been to? 3. How was your day? Slow practice. What do you usually do on weekends? Normal speed. What do you usually do on weekends? Shadowing practice. What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends? Pronunciation tip. Do you often sounds like dia in fast speech? Challenge. In your next conversation, ask at least 3 questions to keep it going naturally. Secret 10. Celebrate small wins. Fluency takes time, and if you only focus on mistakes, you'll feel frustrated. Instead, celebrate every small success, a smooth sentence, a conversation with no pause, or a new phrase you used. This builds confidence, which is key for speaking naturally. Example positive thoughts. 1. I spoke to the cashier in English. Great. 2. I understood that whole sentence on TV. 3. I remembered a new word and used it today. Slow practice. I spoke to the cashier in English. Normal speed. I spoke to the cashier in English. Shadowing practice. I spoke to the cashier in English. I spoke to the cashier in English. Pronunciation tip. Smile when you speak. It helps your voice sound friendlier and clearer. Challenge. At the end of today, write down 3 English wins, no matter how small. Conclusion. So here's the truth. Speaking English naturally is not about memorizing thousands of words or knowing every grammar rule. It's about training your mouth, ears, and brain together with real phrases, rhythm, and small daily actions. Today we covered 10 powerful secrets. 1. Learn phrases, not just words. 2. Speak out loud every day. 3. Copy native rhythm. 4. Use fillers naturally. 5. Tell micro stories. 6. Practice reaction phrases. 7. Think in English in short moments. 8. Record yourself. 9. Use question power. 10. Celebrate small wins. If you make these a part of your daily routine, you'll stop translating in your head and start speaking automatically, just like I did. Now I have 2 challenges for you. In the comments, tell me which secret you will try first. Practice it every day for 7 days. Then come back and tell us your results. And of course, if you enjoyed this lesson and want more slow, clear English training every week, click subscribe and turn on the bell. Every lesson is designed for A1-B1 learners to build confidence and fluency step by step. Remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to practice every day. Small steps lead to big change. You can do it. I believe in you. Let's keep learning together.